The new version 2.7 of the ECCM Network Equipment Management System has been released. If you are already using it, now is the time to update. If not, take it for a test. Documentation with detailed installation instructions is available via the QR code on the screen and the link in the description. In this video, we'll cover the key updates that make network infrastructure management more convenient. Version 2.7 includes new features for configuring the vESR virtual router and mesh switches in a three-tier architecture and as a part of IP fabrics. Let's start with mesh switches. Interface IP addresses can now be set not only via the command line, but also directly from the ECCM interface. The IP interface tab now contains a table of all interfaces with their addresses and statuses. Here or via the quick settings menu, you can assign an address. Just select the interface, enter IP and mask. If necessary, add a secondary address. You can also enable DHCP here, but keep in mind, all previously assigned addresses will be removed from the interface. The next update is the ability to monitor the routing table from the ECCM interface. The routing table section contains protocol data, destination network, gateway, and other information on each route. You can find the required route by its network address. The same information is available via quick settings, directly from the network map. Opportunities for creating IP fabrics based on mesh data center switches have been expanded. When creating a group with the IP fabric type, the underlying routing protocols, ISIS or OSPF, can be selected. For OSPF, process ID and zone are specified. After that, when assigning roles, the system will automatically generate and apply the configuration to all devices in the fabric. The IP fabric configuration interface now supports EVPN Multihoming. This feature allows a host to be connected to multiple live devices simultaneously via the LSP port channel, ensuring fault tolerance and load balancing. The feature is managed via the IP fabric EVPN Multihoming menu. When configuring it, specify the Ethernet segment, system MAC, and select the port channel on necessary leaf switches. The status of each active configuration is displayed in the monitoring table with device-level detail. Another change is the ability to manage ARP suppression for level 2 VNI tunnels from the system interface. When the feature is enabled, leaf switches respond to ARP requests if they know the host's MAC IP and do not send them across the entire fabric. This reduces bump traffic on the network. By default, ARP suppression is enabled. If necessary, it can be disabled when creating or editing a tunnel or via the tunnel table without opening the editing form. In version 2.7, ECCM has gained full support for the vESR virtual router. The Services tab now provides access to firewall settings, Telnet and SSH management protocols, VRF and SNMP configurations. Configuration limits automatically consider the device license. Additionally, license monitoring has been introduced for ESR, vESR, and WLC. On the License tab, you can view the status and expiration date of each license or apply a new one directly from the interface. The system monitors license expiration dates and notifies the administrator 60 days before they expire. Now for general system updates. The PostgreSQL database version has been updated from the 14 to 16. This has improved the overall system performance and reliability. We continue to actively develop ECCM and expand its capabilities. Stay tuned for our updates. The most exciting developments are yet to come. Thank you for choosing our solutions. See ya!